Hi guys, today we're going to be doing... So now I'm in game. I'm going to land Loot Lake. Oh, I realised that they changed it back to Loot Lake. Oh, cool. And now we're going back and they changed it back to Loot Lake. Never recognized that, and I thought Loot Lake was supposed to be covered in snow. That was the main place. That was going to be covered in snow. But no, it isn't. It isn't the main place that was going to be covered in snow. That was weird. So we're not actually going to land Leaky. We're going to go down straight. Only hop our way. My first one is, but they will do. They can get me through. Surprisingly, no one landed in the middle. What? Nearly everyone lands in the middle. Wait, what is this? Get me to the middle! Not a lot of people are coming to Loot Lake. Oh! The Lords. Oh my god. What has this game done with me? I don't know, maybe it's just the video luck. What's happening? Hey! Hey! Of course they have to take them. No, they don't give any respect to the brown guys. Only the white ones. The white ones are the only one who get respect. Because you know, white ones are the best. Take me! Take me! Thanks. Heavy! Even though it's not in the cave anymore, I'm just gonna cheat and do it.
What is it?
Thanks for the shield. Actually, no. Take the shield, take the shield. Take the shield! What shield? Take it. I want to take away this balloon. Wait! Get on! What? Oh. Hi. Over that way. Woohoo! Oh my god. We are so high. We're dead. We are dead. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
My gosh.
I need something. Oh my gosh. That. And I need that for fun. I need some AR ammo. I don't know why, but the brown dye needs some AR ammo. Don't feel safe with this help. Not at all. I think the apple, love it. The apple's awesome. I love you, Whippig! You should just fucking zip line.
Hi.
Hey.
Someone tried to do the door. They gave us the emblem, and then Didi tried to hide. I don't know why. I was about to get it, but then he just went.
Huh?
He didn't get anything. He gave us the envelope.
So what he's telling me, we got the envelope, we didn't get
Yeah,
it.
he did it. Got it.
So what do you mean he went away?
When I was coming to the door, he went away and he just put it in.
Someone here.
So maybe he wanted to give it to us, but then he just put it.
I hate you so much that you have that gun. Ah, I'm there. I'm ending the video right there. I hate this game. Bye, like and subscribe. I hope you enjoy the video. Bye.